Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you this beautiful altered wooden, like a gingerbread box, I'm thinking. I got it from the Dollarama and it was $3.50, and they had other styles. I'll be sharing a Christmas home tour of my house when everything is completed. But I got this in mind for this little scene that Steve had made in our house. So every year I'm going to try to add to it. So this is what I've done this year, and it was so simple. It was just, using paints. I used like a tan colored acrylic paint, a cinnamon here, and white on the top of the roof. And it's just using bling. I used I love this stuff. I really wish I had gotten some more. It's ultra fine glitter paint, and it's just glitter. It's no color to it at all. It looks white, but when it dries, it's clear. So I just covered it in glitter, and this is that snow that you can buy all these different snows. I just got it in the package here, and I just hot glued it all on. It came with the windows, this candy cane, which I colored up myself. And when I added the sparkle, it kind of smudged it, but I love the effect. I love how it softened the look of it. And it's just using some stickers, a little wooden piece. It came with this gingerbread guy. I just added a bow and some white frosting and his face and some buttons. And yeah, just bling all around. I just love it. I think it turned out really nice. And I'm not sure which angle this is going to be showing at, so I made sure kind of all the angles were covered here. And Steve's going to end up drilling a hole and inserting a light, because you can see right through the windows, so the light will be able to shine through. And I added the snowflake and a pearl for the doorknob, little holly sticker there, and I stickled up the snowflake. And yeah, I just love how it turned out. I can hardly wait to do some more, but I have other projects coming up also, so I just wanted to share this, and I really hope you like this video, and thanks for watching everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.